In this episode of Make a Loan Simple, I'm talking about getting pre-approved or pre-qualified for a home. How do I get one? What do I need? What are they good for, right? Well, number one, what is it? Well, according to consumerfinance.gov, a pre-qualification or pre-approval letter is a document from a lender stating that the lender is tentatively willing to lend you up to a certain loan amount. Now, the terms are kind of used synonymously, so that is why you'll hear both terms throughout the home buying process, right? Realtors use it, lenders use another thing. So just kind of be aware of that. Now, a pre-approval is where a lender will take your application, verify the information used with some documents pertaining to income, assets, and debts via your credit report, and then issue a letter stating what they are willing to lend up to. But these are not guaranteed loan officers, so just kind of keep that in mind. Now, the full approval will happen once you find a home, go under contract, provide the relevant necessary documentation like homeowners insurance and all that for an underwriter to fully vet your file to the Fannie Mae guidelines. Now, how do I get one? Well, first, reach out to a local lender. If you don't know one, well, guess what? You are in luck, especially if you're in Texas, because you can start with me. Or you can speak with your realtor, as realtors work with lenders every single day. My advice is to stay local, and doing so can help you avoid future headaches as you move along the home search, because local lenders can move quite a bit faster than a standard bank, which is key when making offers on the weekends or after hours, or just getting a hold of someone on the phone that you can talk to, not just a call center. Now, what do I need? Right? Well, it all starts with a little phone call. I know people don't like to call these days, but it's a way to, one, establish a relationship with someone like a lender, and so for the lender can gauge what will be needed to get you into a home, and then spend the 20 minutes it takes to get that application filled out. It's a way for the lender to centralize all your information to start crunching some numbers for you. Now, the lender's also going to need some income documents and asset documents to ensure they can qualify all the income you actually make. That's always a big thing with getting pre-approved. Now, if you're self-employed, it's a whole other set of items we need, and I'll make another video just for self-employed. Now, going back to your assets, we got to see what you currently have or what you plan to have for a real estate purchase. Now, all these things are in your best interest. I mean, you are financing the largest asset in your life. Do you really want to trust some Bob from Nevada when you actually live in Texas, or do you want to have a call center in Bunkersville, North Dakota? And nothing against Bob, by the way. Bob's are great people. Now, what are they good for? Well, it gives you a good snapshot of where you stand financially, and also gives you an indication of what a certain price point of home looks like in relation to your current debts, your income, your debt to income ratio, and trust me, there's another video for that coming soon. And most importantly, it gives the seller and seller's agent some confidence that you've been vetted to a certain degree. And I don't know of any sellers out there that will accept any offer on their home without a pre-approval. It's a way for them to trust but verify. Now, bottom line, talk to a local lender about the process, items you're going to need, your monthly budget, how much you need up front for the home purchase, your timeline, so that you and the lender can develop a game plan of what it's going to take to buy a home either this year, 6 months from now, or even 12 months from now. It took me 3 years to get my income like where it needed to be, as well as pay down my debts in order to get the house I wanted to afford. Now, buying a home is a process. It's not just clicking buttons on spaceshipmortgage.com or whatever, and working with a lender will get you one step closer to achieving your goal of home ownership. I'm Ralph Tapia. Thanks so much for watching, and remember, I loan it so you can own it. Until next time, and let's get the party started, and let's see what we can do to get you into a home. Take care.